My name is Sempak GT Man. What is your name?
My name is Kazal. I know I have a really hard name.
Apa? What? Kaza?
Yeah.
Oh, Kaza. Iya. Oke, mantap. You from Teheran ya?
Sorry. What's your name?
My name is Sempak GT Man.
Sorry, with all of due respect, I can't tell your name.
Iya,
Sorry.
Sempak.
You have a really beautiful name, but I
Iya.
never heard it before, so I can't tell your name. Sorry. But I'm really nice to meet you.
Sempak GT Man.
Have a good time.
Iya, very good. Iya, nice to meet you ya. Iya, you friendly. Iya, you are very friendly. Dah.
Thank you. I just want to, let me show you something.
Iya, kenapa?
This is my little chicken.
Oh, you have chicken. Ya, dia punya ayam sepuhan. Itu
But look at him. Change my hands,
Oh, diwarnain hijau, bos. Hijau apa itu? Iya, green.
Look at him when I just.
Waduh. Why is it green? Is it coloring?
Yeah, it's colorful.
Oh.
Yeah, I have another one.
Ih, orang Iran mainan ayam sepuhan juga, bos. Kira gue di SD kita doang. Iya, ini mah di abang-abang. Ya buset, dia main ayam sepuhan juga. It is familiar in elementary school here. Seller of the colorful chicken.
Nice.
Iya, many of seller of colorful chicken, and then a student buy it. Iya, gitu. Sorry for my bad English ya. Iya. Yeah, I will wait you in Australia. We can eat pecel lele. Very enak catfish. Nih, catfish very delicious. You know catfish? Lele.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, fried catfish very delicious. Terus apa ketupat apa ya? Padat bahasa Inggris ya, Pen?
For sure.
Dense rice and sayur.
I love rice.
Rice, dense rice. Ame apa itu sayur opor vegetable. Very nice gitu.
Yes.
You in the capital city. What is the capital city of Switzerland?
Bern.
Oh.
Yes.
Bern. Iya. Kami Agoy. Ini mirip Agoy loh.
Ya, yang jarang maju.
Tahu nggak? Kami Agoy dari Jakarta Timur, kembali lagi bersama Agoy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami Agoy dari Jakarta Timur, kembali lagi sama Agoy.
Coba dah, Bang. Bang, lo abangnya Agoy. Agoy Jakarta Timur bukan? Itu, yang sebelah kiri. Lu cari dah, namanya Agoy. Ini jagain warung. Halo, Grandpa. Hey, my Grandpa. What are you doing? Grandpa, you too much coffee. Wey, halo. Mantap. You, I'm good. How about you? Iya, bapak dah. Very good. You from Turkey, Bang?
Yes.
Iya, mantap dah. You Istanbul apa bukan? Istanbul. Iya.
Istanbul.
Iya, are you from? Iya, are you from Istanbul? No ya?
Oh, very good.
Very good. Orang gue nanya lu, Panjul. Iya, Pak, you don't play karambol?
Yes.
Can you play karambol? Dia. Woi. Siema.
Yamete kudasai.
Yamete kudasai. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Iya dah. You
What are you from?
What are you from? What are you from? Apa? Where kali? Where? Where are you from? Oh iya.
Yes.
Oh iya dah. Yak sih mas.
You speak Polish?
Dobze. Iya.
Dobrze.
Iya, kurva ente ya pirdole. Iya dah. Iya, your name siapa?
Dobra, byku, skąd jesteś? What are you from?
What?
Dobra.
Not what are you from? Where? Where are you
Where are
from?
you?
Nah,
Yes.
gitu. Very good. Your English very bad.
I'm stupid.
Iya, gloopy.
Yes.
Ya, gloopy ente. Goblok.
Ja jestem głupi.
Iya,
Jestem głupi.
iya, gloopy. Iya, I am from Indonesia. You from Poland nih.
Jesteś z Indonezji?
Iya, Indonesia. I am from Indonesia. You from Poland. Yeah. You from Warsaw.
No.
Oh no, you from Katowice.
Katowice.
Oh, pizza is food pizza. Pizza, spaghetti.
No.
Kayak gitu lagi. Nah, gitu loh. Hey. Ya, jatuh. Siema.
Siema,
Oh iya. Jak siemasz?
bardzo dobrze. A
Ja?
ty?
Dobrze. Iya. What's your name?
My name?
Iya.
E,
Veronica ya?
Karina.
Karina. Oh, Karina. You friend of Lorena ya? Lorena kan sama Karina kan satu perusahaan. You from Poland nih? From Poland?
Yes.
Iya. From what?
Friends.
Yeah, my friend. Her name what? What her name? Yeah, hello.
Jessica.
Oh, Jessica. Iya, you both beautiful.
Yeah,
Waduh.
thank you.
Ih, kok cakep. Wih, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Iya, you are beautiful.
You are beautiful too.
I'm beautiful. I'm handsome.
Yes, you are handsome.
You from Serbia? Yeah.
Yes, you're from Singapore.
Iya, from Singapore. Your name? What's your name?
My name is Todora.
Tudura.
Yes, your name.
My name is Aldebaran.
Alibaran.
Iya.
Hello, Alibaran.
Iya, you are very funny.
Yes, I know you are too.
Yeah, you from Serbia. What city do you live in?
I live in Belgrade.
Oh, Belgrade.
Yes, Belgrade. You?
Oh, I am from Jakarta.
I don't really know where is Singapore.
Singapore in Asia, near Australia.
Oh,
You know
Australia lives my tetka.
No, itu Austria, Panjul. Australia.
In Austria lives my tetka.
Not Austria, Australia.
Australia.
Aduh, you very funny dah, lucu banget ente. Iya.
Yes, you are very funny too.
Iya, what is your favorite food?
What is my favorite?
Iya, apa? What is the most popular food in Serbia? Apa?
I think Ronaldo Cristiano.
Food. Masa Ronaldo?
What does that mean?
Food to be eaten. What is your favorite?
Food.
Iya, kok Cristiano Ronaldo sih?
We have sarma, we have cevapi, we have burek.
Oh iya, not food kaki bukan.
Ne kaki, ne jedemo govna.
Aduh, lucu banget ya. Yeah. You, how old are you?
I am 22.
22, really?
Yes, really?
Yeah, you college student.
Ja imam 22 godište.
Yes, I'm 22, but how old are you?
Nah, apa sih your friend like crazy?
This is crazy person, not me.
Oh, iya dah.
Just supporting her.
Kok lu lucu sih? Ada manis lu tapi kelakuannya random.
Yes, you really handsome, man.
Thank you dah. Iya, your hair very good.
Yes, my hair very good.
Iya,
But it smells like shit.
Oh, you don't shampoo. You don't have shampoo.
Just kidding.
Iya.
Just kidding.
Oh, I thought you were not using shampoo. Very crazy.
Yes, crazy.
Crazy. Yeah,
Very nice to meet you,
Yeah.
my guy.
you sweet but you random.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye. Love you very much. Opuši mi kurac, ajde.
Iya dah.
Yakışıyor mu sana?
Halo. Iya, you ini Mesut Ozil.
Sana yakışıyor mu kardeşim bana bunu açıkla.
Fenerbahçe. Hakan Şükür.
Fenerbahçe.
Iya.
Do you know Galatasaray?
Galatasaray no, iya Drogba ya kan?
Drogba ya.
Iya, there is Drogba in Galatasaray. In the past, ya kan dulu.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia. You from
Australia.
Iya, Australia. You from Turkey ya? Erdogan nih. Iya.
Erdogan.
Iya, bener. You like kebab ya, kebab. Iya kan? You eat kebab kan?
Are you aborigine?
Aborigin. No, I am not aborigin. Ya, Dani Pedrosa.